Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today I thought I should bring a motivational kind of video to you guys and talk to you guys about, social media. So as you guys know that I am into social media kind of thing. It's not an easy job. Like, it's not easy to be a social media influencer or a social media content creator. Like, seriously guys, the struggle is real. Okay, so if you look at social media, like seriously, if you go on Instagram, let's say, you will find different kinds of pages, like different kinds of people doing different kinds of things, and techniques in order for them to get noticed on social media. That sometimes you do follow all these other influencers or content creators who have like a very perfect life, perfect family, perfect body, perfect hair, perfect skin, like everything about them is just like perfect. They are globetrotting, they are just being sponsored for all these trips and everything. And sometimes we do get caught up in these people's lives. Like, I am one of those people who follow people on social media as well. Like, seriously guys, sometimes it does get so overwhelming, which I feel like it is a bad thing, because most people don't know that most people do edit their photos, edit their videos. Most of these people, they've gone under surgery for them to have the perfect body. A lot of things are going on, a lot of things are going on. All we see is this nice glam people or person, in front of us, and we think like, oh my god, I want their life. Like, seriously guys, don't even envy that life, because you don't even know how they're making it. Sometimes I see a lot of girls, like even girls from Zimbabwe, they are living large. They have a very flashy life, always on these trips to Dubai, to the US, to wherever, but they're always wearing this flashy kinds of jewelry and designer. Like, everything is designer. They go to these expensive hotels, and I ask myself, where do they work? Like, I have never heard this person mentioning what they do. Like, what is their job? Like, what exactly is making them rich? Like, what exactly are they doing to make money? And sometimes young girls get caught up in seeing these people as role models. They're thinking that, oh my god, I want to live the life like that influencer. But do you know what they're doing to get that money, to get that life? Do you know exactly what they're going through for them to be where they are? You might not even know. So I would definitely advise the younger girls, especially university going girls, that please don't envy these girls. Like, you don't know what they're going through, you don't know what they do, because they've never actually mentioned to you how they're making the money. Like, I'm a content creator. I do get some earnings from being a content creator, so it is genuinely that where I get paid from, and I do have my own job. If you are a mother, you've got a daughter, or you've got a sister, or the younger generations, I know I do have younger followers too, please don't envy everything that you see on social media, because you don't know what people do in order to get that money. There are lots of things people are doing, I'm telling you, which are dangerous. They might not be dangerous to them, but I feel like if it is my daughter, I would definitely be disappointed, and I would be like angry seeing them doing these things, because I need to know where they're getting the money from. Be an inspiration to other people. Like, tell us what you do, tell us what kind of job you do. We don't really need to know the job where you work. Like, I work under the health sector, so that's where I work, so I do have a job. Okay, so most of you guys have seen me even posting pictures where I was wearing my work uniform and everything like that, and you know that I do YouTube as a side kind of a hobby kind of job, so you guys know exactly what I do. Sometimes we get caught up in seeing the progress of other like social media people or influencers. We get caught up in like, oh my god, they're achieving a lot, they're buying houses, they're buying mansions, they are traveling around the world, they wear these designer clothes and everything, and you're like, oh my god, I'm a social media influencer, or I'm just like an ordinary person, but how come I'm struggling. I'm not there yet. Like seriously guys, we all get blessed differently. Like our time for blessings are all different. You don't have to look down on yourself thinking, oh my god, what am I doing wrong? I'm not progressing in life. These people are progressing very well. Like seriously guys, don't even spend your time dwelling on that. Just know that your blessings are coming. Your time shall come. Let's talk about, you know, getting real sponsors. Like they are very good sponsors that sponsor people on social media. So when someone is being sponsored by a company, usually they do write an ad. Look at Patricia Bright, look at Jackie Aina, look at all those other big influencers. They do put ads so that you know they're being sponsored, whether it's the clothes, whether it's the hotel, whether it's the holiday. They actually mention that they're being sponsored, which is, to me, is very good, because at least we know, okay, we know that, okay, they've been sponsored to do this, okay, pretty good. But some of these influencers, they don't even tag, they don't even say where they're getting the money from. Like seriously sis, we need to know. Like seriously, we need to know. But don't get caught up in it, because people are doing all these kinds of different things in order for them to survive and look all that glamorous, but it's not all that. Trust me, we know there are business people around there. We know there's Beyonce. They make money. Those people are rich, like genuinely. We know that these are business people, so we know how they make money. You know what I'm saying? So if you're just someone who's not mentioning their business, you're not selling eyelashes, you're not selling clothes. So what are you selling? Like, where's the money coming from? Don't get caught up with all these social media gurus, those queens that you see slaying on the gram, and you're thinking, oh, I would like to be one of them. And you don't even know whether their path that they've chosen is the right one for you, because you might end up in a very bad situation. So just be careful on what you envy and what you admire, because words are powerful, you guys. Words are very powerful. You might not be able to get out of it. Some people do get stuck in whatever those things. So the other thing I wanted to mention to you guys is, you know, after seeing all these nice curvy girls, everything is perfect about them, and sometimes as human beings we do feel discouraged and like on posting our own full body pictures. For example, me, I was scared like just to post a full picture, because I thought, you know, people see me sitting down all the time and they think, oh, she looks good, but they don't know really how I look. Like, I've got 3 kids, my body is not in the same shape at all, like at all. It looks different. Like, it does look so much different. So I feel like people, if they see you on camera, they're thinking, oh my god, she's got a beautiful life, everything is going well for her. But you know what I'm saying, most of you guys who are out there actually have a better life than most of us out here, or you know, you're doing actually better than most of us out here. It's just that you don't show it to the public, okay? You don't show it. I feel like I have to share this with you guys. If there are other pages or people that you follow and you feel like they do bring you down, sometimes you feel like you're not achieving anything, you feel like you're not doing nothing in life, you feel like, oh my god, their life is perfect, and you feel like your life is not as good, or is not going in the same direction, or moving in the same good pace that you want it to be. I just urge you guys to just mute those posts, or even come off social media itself, because you do see things that will disturb you, which is not good. You know, it's not good for your mind, it's not good for your own health. So yeah, so my word today to you guys is, don't be so caught up into social media world. Like, be you, do you, like, just move at your own pace. Don't envy other people, because you don't know what they're going through, you don't know how they are making it, you don't know what they do in order for them to be where they are. So just be patient and trust the process, okay guys? Trust the process, trust God will do it, trust that the universe will do it, okay? You just have to be patient and, you know, take baby steps, and you will definitely get there. Like, seriously, Rome wasn't built in a day, okay? So just take your time, be patient, and trust God, and, you know, pray a lot. Also, you know, do manifestations, and it will definitely happen. If you would like to see more motivational or talk videos, let me know and give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, reshare, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.